Good. Number 3. So I'm going to take my outside block and I'm going to be stepping backwards to the inside. I'm going to load, step back block, turn. The leg that's furthest away from the opponent, back kick. Hiya! Finish how you start. Load, step back block, turn. Furthest away leg, back kick. Hiya! Finish how you start. Opposite side. Load, step back block, spin, stop, back kick. Hiya! Finish how you start. If you notice, I'm spinning the same direction that I start. Ready, load, step back block, spin, furthest away leg, back kick, hiya! Good. Number 3. So for number 3, I'm going to be stepping back and blocking to the inside so I can prepare to kick. Punch comes in, hi! Block to the inside. Notice how my pinky is lined up with her thumb now. We're the opposite of each other. Turn, back kick. Hiya! Reset to how I started. Ready? One more time. Hi! Hiya!